Well, Crossroads, let's talk about how hot it is outside. Right now, it is 98 here in Victoria. Cuero's at 100, Yoakum's at 101, and well, Gonzales is at 103. It is still relatively very hot outside for us here in the Crossroads, but it wasn't as hot as it was a couple hours ago, let's just say. We actually hit 100 degrees for the day here at 4:51 was 100. 4 degrees off of the average, but 4 degrees away from the record here. But we didn't get any rainfall, though. But fortunately, we are going to have rain in our forecast, though. But heat index was also the conversation today. About 10:50 this morning, it was 118 there in Port Lavaca as the feels like temperature. And for us here, well, 110 was what we got to here at 5 o'clock here. So it was another hot and toasty day for us here. And it's going to continue here for at least the next 2 days. 104 is what it's going to feel like here. 106 there Wednesday, and then we start to drop off down here as we start to get some unusual wind pattern. A northerly wind will start to blow in here. That'll kind of help cool us off here just a little bit. But let's talk about the rain because that's what we're here for. We want to see the rain. We need the rain. Let's talk about it. Well, we have a lot of shower activity up in the northeast. That's actually where we're going to see a lot of this shower activity for this week. Is going to be pushed down here with these short waves, or what we call it, as they will push down towards the 59 corridor, kind of riding along that. And just like this little lone thunderstorm here right around Wharton, it's going to be riding down the 59 corridor. But this system is actually going to be weakening here as it makes its way towards Jackson County. But here's the time frame here. Within the next 10-15 minutes or so, we're going to start to see it make its way just south of El Campo here, continue to ride along the 59 corridor. But by the time it gets to Jackson County, it should be dissipating here as what we see with Future Tracker. There's the remnants of it from that cloud cover there by 8 p.m. But that's not it. We're still going to be watching for that short wave up around the Houston area. That's going to be pushed down here. So by 1 p.m., we'll start to see more shower activity pick up here. But it does seem like it does a little split around the Victoria area and regain formation here around Goliad. But that's just a model. We can continue to watch this as the system develops here for tomorrow. But rain chances are going to be likely across the entirety of the Crossroads region. So that's something to look forward to here for tomorrow, especially in the afternoon time. So if you want to know, you can bring your umbrella for the afternoon time, not necessarily in the morning time, because that's where we're going to see more of the shower activity. But that's just not it. Go ahead and look out towards Wednesday for us here. So there's that Tuesday push right there at 5 p.m. And Wednesday, there's another push of a short wave coming in from the northeast here. By 11 p.m., we'll start to see more shower activity possible for that. But there's another push of another northwesterly push. And that's just from the high pressure that has moved out towards the west. It's starting to steer all these showers and thunderstorms down towards us. But I'm thinking Thursday is going to be our best chance for some rain here. For Thursday afternoon, we get another push of that shower and thunderstorm activity. Could see 1 to 2 inches of rain associated with that, as well as for tomorrow as well. Looking like a good chance for some shower activity. But for your daily planner, isolated showers here in the morning here for Victoria, getting to mostly cloudy skies, but temperatures will be a little bit cooler, getting in the 90s, mostly cloudy here in Port Lavaca. Still going to hold for that rain chance, though, around that time frame as well as Cuero. Going to be seeing that afternoon shower activity pick up once again here for us here. But 40% for tomorrow is where I'm keeping it at right now for scattered storms. 30% here Wednesday, but they pick up here Thursday, especially in the evening time. That's where I'm thinking where it's going to rain the most. Keeping it at 30%. So rain activity for the next 7 days, but temperatures, look at that, they kind of get down to the low 90s because of those northerly winds, which is something we could also look forward to for some quote-unquote cooler conditions. Now don't forget to scan the